Hey people, today we're going to talk about how to increase your cash flow in 1 week without begging the banks. Now, Johnny Muhammad here, and it's a pleasure to be with you. And let's jump right into this because business is hard and it's a whole lot of things involved in setting up, running your business, getting clients, getting customers, blah, 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 blah. The whole thing boils down to a few basic things, and there's two things, and we're going to deal with one of them today. And one of them is cash flow. So how do you get cash flow? Well, if you have a product or a service, there's something that's called accounts receivable. Some people call them accounts payable. This is when a client or a customer they promise to pay you. It could be a monthly payment, or it can be a service that you're rendering. You took half payment and then you took half payment later. What you do is you put this on a form to chunk it down and make it real simple, because simplicity is key. You put it on a form, you put this account on a form where they say that they'll pay you such and such amount of dollars. You then take those forms and those papers to another company that will pay you a certain percentage of what's going to get and come to you before you get it. So basically, what clients and stuff are going to pay you, what people are going to pay you for the product, you get that cash flow up front immediately before you even finish the service or you even deliver the product. Now, where do you get that from? Well, we have that information in that link, and all you have to do is go to businesscreditbuilder.co, not .com, but businesscreditbuilder.co, and sign up in the link form. It has it right down the home page. Basically, on every page, we got that link. And sign up for a free consult. Hop on the phone, reference this video, and you'll be able to get that information. But back to, let's get an example going here for those of you who don't understand this. Say you got $100, okay? Just $100. That's horrible for your business, but let's say you just got $100. And you take that to the company that's going to pay you for your account that you will receive at a future date. When you go to that company, they are not going to pay you 100%. So you're not going to get $100 off of that. They'll probably pay you 50% of that contract. So you'll probably get like $50 off of that. So now just multiply that by the amount of your product or service, and you can get cash basically in 1 week based on that. Now, I know what you're saying. You're saying, Johnny, I don't have clients. I haven't sold that many products. Well, that is a problem to be solved in another video. We can't solve everything in just this quick video. So come back here, wherever you found me at, wherever this video is, just come back here. I'll tell you the link again to get in contact with us to make sure that you can start your journey and start mastering the basics of business. Just go to businesscreditbuilder.co. That's businesscreditbuilder.co. Thanks a lot. See you soon.